Hello, I'm Joel from Victor and I'm here today to tell you about the Slipstop leak collector. Now we can all relate to going out and about, shopping centres, stations, maybe an airport and seeing a leak. Now there's many hazards which a leak can create, and up till today there hasn't really been a neat, fast and effective way of managing that leak. So what normally happens is that you get a bucket out, you get a slip hazard sign out, the water's coming through, there's splashing, people can trip on the actual signs, the bucket themselves, they might even slip on some of the water that's splashed out. So we had a look at this and thought, what can we do to bring this all together and combine it into a neat, effective and fast solution? And with that, we came upon the idea of the Slipstop. So what this does is it brings these ideas together and combines a bucket inside a hazard sign and then a collector lid on top so that the leak can be managed effectively and all in one unit. So here we've got our first unit. You've got the bucket here, which is an 18 litre bucket, and inside you can see you've got a liner which comes with an absorbent pad. Now this absorbent pad can hold and absorb 2.5 litres. So this goes around the outside, and this, as you can see, is the warning sign. It is very light, it's foldable, so it's easy to stack and store on your trolley. And then you've got a lid which goes on top like so. And this has got a cone shape on the inside. So as the water comes down, the water and the splashes are collected in and they go inside your unit. And then we'll move on to the larger unit, which is for high traffic areas where you want a very visible unit for people maybe going around with shopping trolleys or luggage. Again, it's a similar idea, but it's a robust high polymer construction, so it will stand up to lots of knocks and it's very visible, so you can see the height, there's no missing it, it can't be knocked over. And again, it works the same way. So you've got the cone shape on the inside that will collect the water from the leak, and then it's stackable. So if you're a large unit and you need, 5 or 10 of these in storage, you can have them all stacked up in a corner. It's not going to take up a lot of space, and it's your all-in-one solution. They're ready to manage any leaks. If you'd like to know any more about this or any other product in the Victor range, email us at sales@victorfloorcare.com or contact your local Victor distributor.